Okay, I am out here and it is not that hot, but it is humid and I am sweating. But if I don't get to working in this garden, these weeds are going to get away from me. And they're already starting to. But anyhow, I'm going to do some weeding between the beans and stuff today. I'll let you see what I got going on here. Anyhow, they're getting tall. They're pretty daggum tall, but they're also got weeds in them. So, got to pull all the weeds from around it. If you can get grass clippings or some straw or anything to put around them, that'll make life a lot easier. Like I have straw by the pumpkins and stuff along the edge there, but not right next to my plants yet because I wanted them to get big enough that I wouldn't worry about smothering them out. But here we go, pulling weeds, and I really wish my tiller run because look at the middle row here. They don't look terrible from this view, but I mean you can see a lot of green popping up that ain't in rows. But yeah, so anyhow, I'm pulling weeds here this evening on the beans. Lots and lots of beans, which I'm super excited, but lots and lots of work too. And Mabel's back here behind me wanting me to throw her some of my weeds. Here Mabel, here's some nummies. Not what she's looking for, huh, girl? Anyhow, that's it. Spending my humid evening. We did finally get rain, so that did make it nice for the having to take time to water each evening. And the soil ain't so hard. It was cracking like a desert. But, yeah. Otherwise, here we go. In the garden. Pulling weeds. It's going to be my life story for a long time. Alright, anyhow, hope y'all are having better luck than me keeping them weeds under control.